Control4 Home Automation integrates all of your favorite technology into one easy-to-use system that makes everything work together automatically. One remote tunes every component to the right input, dims the lights, and starts the movies. You can stream any music to any corner of the house in one tap. An iTunes playlist for the kids upstairs as you entertain to the tune of your favorite music service. Even if the unthinkable happens, Control4 can initiate a series of events that could save lives. Warnings play over the sound system. Lights illuminate exit routes. And a signal is sent to power down the climate control system so smoke doesn't spread and your family stays safe and secure. Long day? The moment you pull into the garage, a sequence of pre-programmed events can make life a little easier. Lights come on to a safe, comfortable level. And because Control4 integrates with your home security system, you know you're always returning to a safe and comfortable place. At bedtime, one button push lowers shades, adjusts lights, and the thermostat to nighttime levels. TVs and AV equipment power down automatically, and the security system is armed. If you're away from home, you can still rest assured all is well with total control in the palm of your hand and instant text to alert you if any action is required. With Control4, the possibilities are truly endless.